kea'a I ke kumu I lau a puka ka mu'o ka liko ka ao I luna. I bid each of you to allow your roots to reach deep into the earth, that they send up a beautiful trunk of vibrancy, that branches and arms reach out and blossom in the east. This olelo no eau of our kupuna reminds us to be rooted in our foundation, to be rooted in our culture, to gather strength in it, and to blossom, and to really ulu, to grow. Aloha.
Mahalo nui loa to everyone who has participated in Prince Lat Hula Festival, and all of our viewers who have taken time out of their day to spend this evening with us. We know that this whole COVID pandemic has been tough on every one of us, and we hope that your presence here and our hula has been uplifting for you and your family. We encourage you to stay safe, stay healthy, social distance, and be safe. Aloha.
Our message to what's happening in today's world with the pandemic and everything else is to have aloha. And what that means is to have patience, to have love, to have that caring for one another, to take care of each other so that we can have a little bit more patience with each and every one of us when we come together or when we meet, to understand that it's not about us, it's a kako thing, and that we need everyone. Within this time, we can push forward, we can holomua, but we just have to have aloha with us in anything that we do.
So the olelo no eo that I want to share is an olelo that says uola loko ke aloha. And what that means, uola loko I ke aloha, it means that within each and every one of us, our well-being, physically, mentally, spiritually, is in part, and very much in part, due to aloha. And when we talk about aloha, we're not just talking about the honi and the puliki, when we greet each other in that sense, but we're really talking about the message of aloha that has been shared with us through kupunas such as Auntie Pilahi Paki, and through kupunas such as Ka'onohi o Kalabri. And really, aloha is life. Aloha is akahai, it's lokahi, it's olu olu, ha'aha'a, and ahonui. It's being ala and a'ala. It's being oya i'o. It's about patience and reciprocal love and respect to one another. This undying love, regardless of what's happening around you. And I share this mana'o with all of us here in Hawaii, especially in light of the pandemic. If we truly have aloha for one another, if we truly respect and are courteous, gracious, and want to live in harmony with each other, kanaka to our aina, then we will do what is appropriate to make sure that we all ola, that we all continue and prosper and live on in well-being. And so me kia mana'o, yakakua po, me kia aloha hoi. Uola loko I ke aloha. A e ho'o mau kako ma loko kia a o ia'o ia maila e nā kupuna. Ola I ke aloha.
So we hope to be able to showcase with our performances that hula is alive and well in our halau and with our people. And so we hope that we can be able to bring some joy to people's lives and show them that we still are here enjoying what we do and enjoying doing what we do.
I think through this pandemic, we have learned that we have to keep hope alive. We have to play upon our genetic and inherent ability to be resilient and to move forward. Holomua. We cannot just stay stagnant. Stagnant things carry diseases, and continue carrying bad things. So we need to move forward. We need to let things flow, and we need to continue to participate in festivals like this. Doing so safely, but I think hope is it doesn't come naturally. We need to create that. And the only way that we can create that is to continue to holomua, to move forward, instead of just waiting for our fate to come upon us. You know, move forward. I want that to be ingrained and you know, envelope us. That message, move forward, holomua.